Hello Facebook enthusiasts. Do you ever wonder who is sharing your posts? In this quick guide, I'll show you how to find out exactly that. Let's dive in. Step 1. Open your Facebook app, click Menu with the 3 dashes icon in the lower right corner of the toolbar. Step 2. Navigate to your profile, click your profile picture and name, located on the left side of the page, then you will be redirected to your profile. Step 3. Find shared posts, scroll down your timeline until you find the post you're curious about. If it's an older post and not showing up, use the search bar at the top to find it. Step 4. Check shares, find the number of shares, e.g. you will have a certain number of shares below the post. Here I have 1 share, and I want to know who has viewed and shared my article. I will choose it. Here I see that AnHome US has shared my post with 0 likes, 0 comments, and of course 0 shares. Click on that number. A list will appear, showing people who have shared your post so you can easily track and handle it if you don't want someone to be interested in your post. That's it, that's all I want to share with you about sharing this post. Thanks for watching and see you again on AnHome Tech channel.